Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a folder and delete the folder in PowerCenter Repository Manager. This is the theory information. So there are the 4 steps for creation and deletion of the folders. The step 1, open PowerCenter Manager. So how to open the PowerCenter Manager, and before that why we are using the PowerCenter Repository Manager. So what is the functionality of this Repository Manager? Repository Manager is the one to maintain the uh, development code. So by using this repository manager we can move the code from one repository to the another repository in the form of drag and drop at the time, so it will be in the XML format, export and import. Okay, and we will differentiate the code from the developers by using the folders also. So for that I'm just going to create the folders. Power Informatica 961 client, Power Center client, Power Center repository manager. So this is step 1. Step 2, log into the repository to create a folder. So this is a repository name. In which repository you want to create the folders, select the folder and use the administrator as an user and the password. Super user you need to use for creation of the folders. So connect it, administrator is a user, and mention the password for this one. This password is at the time of installation you will come to know. And the third one is a creation of a folder. So how to create a folder? So in the menu bar, folder is an option, and then create a folder and creates. So after selecting the folder option, create option, so it will shows the one pop-up and it will ask for the name. So I'm just giving the name training 1. Okay, so after creation of the folder it will show the message the folder has been successfully created. The same as you can create the multiple folders here. So this is the way to create the folders in the repository manager. So first step is so deletion of a folder. So in which scenario you will get a chance to delete that? So you, by mistakenly you have uh, created the folder. So I just created the training 2. So and I don't want to place this training 2 in this repository. So I can select the folder and you just go and delete it. So it will show the messages the folder has been successfully deleted. Okay, now same as, and you can see the renaming of the folder. So you just select the folder and edit it, so it will show you the pop-up, and here you can change the folder names also. So just training, so the folder has been successfully modified. So this is a way to create, delete and modify the folders. Thank you.